I think high school at its core is the final step into getting into the real world. You arrive to school with nothing more than a book and bag. You might not know that it is the best part of life, that if you didn't do it back then, you won't have another chance to do it in the adulthood. As you progress, you meet some friends that you didn't know back then. You will soon see them as family. While you navigate for your purpose in life, you gain a new appreciation for the few things you had and use it to your fullest potential. With nothing but a bag, book, and pen, it's all slowly turned into a memory of your very own. High school teaches us, with no matter how ridiculous the probably looks, within us putting one foot in front of the other and overcome these challenges, that one day we look back to the memory we made and be amazed by how far we've come.